Hey guys, I'm Mr. Jones and this is my son Amos. And we are here to do an unboxing for you today. And just go ahead and try to cut down the side there for us. And then see what's inside. We've got
the King Kong movie.
It's called Kong Skull Island. And this is the Blu-ray DVD.
Beep, beep, boop, boop. Hi, friends at home.
Okay, right.
Hi, camera. Hi, guys.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Jones, and this is another father-son edition. And as you can see today, we've got a really big box, probably a lot of different things in there, books.
Or maybe a new DVD.
Maybe, and you probably shouldn't be jumping with scissors. Since he's jumping at the bit to do this, we're going to rush the early part of the unboxing that we like to do. So, as you can see, there's Amazon's got it wrapped up really well.
I don't like Amazon.
All right. So, first things first, we've got one of Amos's favorite things is the shipping wrapping.
Yes.
The very first book is I Can't Make This Up. That's actually what it's called. Life Lessons, I Can't Make This Up by Kevin Hart. This looks like a truly very funny book. Look what we have here. We've got a JLA book. This looks like volume 6. We have volumes 1 through 4 already. Do you know who this is, Amos?
Yes.
Who's that?
Aquaman.
This is one of the best Aquaman graphic novels in history. We didn't have any Aquaman graphic novels. We've added a few titles. Here's the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 soundtrack, which you might be interested in. They always have great music in those films.
My papa.
All right. If you came to the summer reading book fair at the end of the last school year, we had some recreational summer reading that was there in addition to the required reading. And one of the favorite titles was The Real Madrid Way, How Values Created the Most Successful Sports Team on the Planet. There was a lot of interest in that book. Next one, this was also pretty popular at the book fair. Golden, The Miraculous Rise of Steph Curry, which I followed his days from Davidson until now. Just a great athlete. So this is about his story, called Golden. And then Amos, come over here. The next is a graphic novel. It doesn't have superheroes in it, but I highly recommend you reading this year. It's called The Influencing Machine. It just talks about how we are influenced by the media. It's a very realistic take.
Don't play with scissors at home, guys.
No, it's not safe to do that. We've got.
I thought I'd never get ran over by a car.
That's right.
Never get taken by a stranger either.
So that's The Influencing Machine. You will love this, and I really thought this was very informative, but not informative in a boring way. Then we have Hugh, 1968. It's about the turning point of the American War in Vietnam. It's a pretty thick book, but if you're interested in learning about war, and especially Vietnam War, as you know, we have the Vietnam War Memorial.
War is terrible.
The last two books in here looks like are How to Fake a Moon Landing, Exposing the Myths of Science Denial. So it talks a little bit about some of the myths and misconceptions out there about science and why people don't believe certain things, even though it's backed up by lots of evidence. And that is it. I'm Mr. Jones. If you wanted to subscribe to our channel, go ahead.
Video!
Yes. If you want to subscribe to that, you can just click down there somewhere. Say goodbye, Amos.
Bye, Amos isn't here right now. He's on vacation. That guy was just talking crazy talk.